Hey fellas, I'm here to tell you that you could be shrinking your prostate naturally just using 3 herbs consistently. 2 of them you can get off of Amazon, and or you can go to your local health food store, and the other one you can get from your local supermarket. So let me break this down for you in parts. So the prostate power stack has been changing the game, by the way, for men all over the world. I didn't discover it. I didn't create it. I just found out about it and wanted to share with you. So talking about saw palmetto berries, get any good brand, and stinging nettle root, any good brand, and a little known enhancer. Well, you know about it, but it's an enhancer, and you probably already have this, cayenne pepper. It's already probably in your kitchen cabinet. So, saw palmetto berries is one of the most researched herbs for prostate health. It's been known to shrink the prostate. It helps reduce DHT, the hormone that fuels prostate enlargement. And then you have stinging nettles. Stinging nettles works in tandem with the saw palmetto berries and to help block the DHT, your prostate receptor sites, and cools down inflammation. So the two work very well together. They're like the 1-2 punch for neutralizing prostate enlargement. All right? But here's where it gets interesting and we bring the fire. The power booster, cayenne pepper. Why cayenne pepper? Well, because it increases blood flow and amplifies the delivery of these herbs deep into your pelvic region. I like to think of cayenne as an accelerator. You take the saw palmetto berries and the stinging nettle capsules. You have some water, right? Well, you put half a teaspoon or less, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in the water. And you do this, 2, 3, 4 times a week. And this power stack will light the path for you, literally. I mean, makes all these herbs work better together. So let me give you a quick scientific breakdown of the herbs. So saw palmetto berries, right? Saw palmetto berries, it blocks 5-alpha reductase. That's an enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT, which is, of course, the major driver of prostate enlargement and BPH. So it helps to reduce urinary symptoms as well and inflammation. So make sure you have this. It's time tested and it's clinically backed. So don't worry about what the naysayers tell you about saw palmetto berries. It's proven science. Then you have stinging nettles. Reduces the binding of the DHT at the receptor sites of your prostate gland. Very powerful anti-inflammatory, rich in lignans and sterols, and it synergizes well with the saw palmetto berries. So they actually go very well together. That's why this combination is used in standardized European BPH treatments. And then you have cayenne pepper, the active ingredient capsaicin, and it increases circulation and bioavailability of all nutrients. So it helps the body to move the nutrients and these herbs into your cells through the expansion of your capillary network. Enhances the absorption of all other herbs and vitamins, delivering them more efficiently to your prostate tissue. Because of course you're taking zinc and magnesium, etc. Right? So it aids in nerve inflammation, reducing that pain, reducing the inflammation in your nerves, supporting better pelvic energy flow and better erectile function. All right, try to get the organic one. I couldn't find it this time, but try to get the organic one if you can. They do have organic cayenne pepper. So man, when you start doing this regularly, you'll see that your urination will become easier. You have less night waking up. You have better sexual vitality. And don't forget, this stack works best when you combine it with a lifestyle shift. Clean diet, hydration, more fruit, walking daily, exercise, reducing the stress in your body, because your body wants to heal, right? It's about giving the body what it needs: nutrients, circulation, intent. You have to want an intent to heal your prostate. So if this message resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. Share this with a brother who needs to hear it, because your prostate doesn't have to be a problem. It could be a wake-up call for you to shift your lifestyle, right? Shift your lifestyle, because everything that is going on with your prostate gland is from the foods you've been eating and the way you have been living your life. So let me help you how to shift that back into a place of power and health.